Hi, I'm Caroline McKinley, and I'm a patient of Nancy Crooks. I came to Nancy back in July. I was having really horrible time with my knees, and I was scheduled to have surgery in August, but I thought I would give this a try, and remarkably, I didn't have to have the surgery. And when I went back to my doctor and I explained to my doctor that I wasn't in pain and I could do my yoga and I could go back to normal activities, he couldn't believe it. And he says, "You're bone on bone. There's no way somebody could fix you that you wouldn't be in pain." But it's remarkable. I mean, I get up in the morning, I don't hurt, I can ride my bike, I can do Bikram yoga, I can walk my dog. You know, all these things that I can do, and it's because of Nancy. And it was funny because I came to her for neck and shoulder pain, and it was like the realization that that was gone came to me about 2 weeks later, and I was like, my shoulder doesn't hurt, which was remarkable because I'd had it for so long. And so then when I asked her about my knees, and you know, she worked on those, and then that went away. And you know, I got a little tune up here and there, but oh, she is remarkable, and I just love what she does. I can't explain to people what it is she does, but it's phenomenal. That's the only word I can use, to not have the pain and to not go through surgery, because when you get scheduled for surgery, they schedule all your appointments for physical therapy and everything else. So it was funny when I canceled the surgery, I was still getting calls later on for my physical therapy and follow-up visits, and I had to tell them I didn't have surgery, and they were amazed that I didn't have surgery at all. But if you want to feel better, you need to call Nancy. She's awesome.